everyone, welcome to Ivy's YouTube channel. My name is Ishani and I'm one of the trainers for Power BI. Today we're going to talk about a topic in Power BI called hierarchy. Now, first of all, what is a hierarchy? Normally you will see when you get a data set, typically when you look at dates and you drop a date, it automatically breaks it down into year, quarter, month, and then day. And why that is a advantageous thing for us is because we are able to drill down. Like say we want to look at year-wise sales. If I want to break it down to quarter level or to the month level, we are able to drill through the data very easily. But not all datas are organized in that manner in Power BI. So in order to make our visualization, to make our data a little more organized, it is a very good technique to be applied in Power BI. Now the advantages, like I said, is it helps us to organize data, it enhances the data visualization, and it facilitates the drill down analysis on the data set that we have. Now, I want to break this topic into three different videos. Today's video is going to be the simplest form of hierarchy that we can create. That is, if I have one table and in one table I have different fields, I want to convert it into an hierarchy, then how do we do it? My next follow-up video will be when I have fields from different tables. For example, let's say I have category as a necessary and I want to drill down it to subcategory level and I want to drill down it to the product level. Now, in my table, all these things, product, category, and subcategory, are kept in three different tables. So, how do I put the fields of three different tables in one? And in the next part, we will talk about how to make it dynamic hierarchy, meaning I want product level, year level, or I want year level, product level, or I want year level, quarter level, product level. So all these we can pick and choose and see multiple ways of analyzing the data in one single visualization. So let's get started with the first one. So in my table over here, you can see I have a data set I've uploaded. I have a table called territories data. So under this territory data, I have continent, country, region, and the territory key. So in order to create a hierarchy, I want continent. Within the continent, I want the regions, and in the regions, I would like the countries to be there. So how do we do it? I'm going to go ahead. Either I can do it from here, or little easier to visualize is when you go to your data models. And under data models, I have this table of territory. I'm going to right click on the continent and create a hierarchy. As soon as I do this, on my right hand side, you will see there is a property window which has popped up. So when I scroll down over here, first of all, it's giving us the name. So if I want to change the, so let's say geographic hierarchy. If I want to add a description, I can. And now comes the easiest part. This is already there. And I can select the columns to add to the level. So I can click on the drop down. It is giving me all the columns or all the fields of this table. So I want to add region. And then I want to add one more as country. And now my hierarchy is ready. So this is done. Let's see. Let's go in the front. Come up over here. And I've got a geographic hierarchy. Let's say if I wanted to create a simple matrix. Now I don't have to drop each and every field that I had to do initially without a hierarchy. Now I can drop one single field over here. So you can see it has a plus sign, means it's expandable. And let's say if I wanted to analyze it by total sales. So I have got this thing in which I've got continent wise total sales. This sign on over here, it helps me to drill down. So once I click here, now I'm able to see the continent wise, region wise sales. And if I drill down further, I'm able to see continent wise, region wise, country wise sales. And once you want to collapse it, you can click on drill up and get the original back. So this helps a end user to look at the data in different levels of drilling and then getting an insight out of the data. So I hope you enjoyed this video. For more such video, please make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. And my next video will talk about how to work with a hierarchy or how to create a hierarchy from the fields from different tables. Stay tuned.